Hey guys, Rainbow Slime. Now I'm about to update Roblox. Really, I was gonna play it, but it said that I needed to update it. So now I'll be right back when this thing is updated. Okay guys, now I have updated my Roblox. See, let me show you. See, Roblox updated. Maybe we'll play some Flood Escape 2, yeah. Play some Flood Escape 2. Wait, no, that's not the right one. Could this not be the right one? I wonder how do these people make these games? If I learned how to make the games, basically, if I know how to make games, like, send them to Roblox. If I knew how to make these games, I would send them to Roblox. Then, like this, maybe I would record me testing it out. Test out the game. But that's only if I knew how to make games. I mean, Roblox games. In fact, I don't even know how to make any video games. Must be a lot of computer work for those gaming companies. Like Insomniac and Sanzaru. Let's see. That's me drumming. I'll be right back when I get in this. Okay guys, I'm about to be entering the server. Like those are where the buttons are. No! Just as soon as I instantly get in the server. As soon as I instantly get in the server, I instantly drown. See guys, now, why aren't we entering the server? Why are we still here in the lobby? Say, is something wrong with Roblox? Timed out, returning to the lobby. What? You have got to be kidding me. I enter a game, then I gotta return to the stupid lobby. Be right back, guys, and hopefully they don't put me out of. Hopefully they'll put me back in the lobby. Okay, guys, we're back. Oh, what? What the? No! Okay guys, after this video, I am done with Flood Escape. After this video, I'm done with Flood Escape. I'm never gonna play it again. Sorry to the person who made it, but I can't play this game again. After this video, I'm gonna still post this video, guys, but I'm just not gonna play it ever again. After this recording, I'm never playing it again. Okay, guys. What the? That's it. I'm done with this. Leave game. Leave. And, well, guys, sorry this video had to be short, but maybe I'll play the other Flood Escape 2. Maybe I'll play the other Flood Escape 2. Or maybe the other one is better. Well, guys, maybe I don't have to cut this video short. Let me just go to the other. Let me just go to the other Flood Escape. Oh, this is Flood Escape. Alright, let me go to it. Guys, I'm gonna cut this video short. I'm sorry that this video had to be short. So, you guys don't have to like this video or hit that like button. Just stay subscribed. And I will see you guys later. Goodbye.